If you're experiencing an account sync issue in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to confirm if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and sync issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help. Turn off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. For PC, you can clear the cache by deleting temporary files from your system. Step 5. Relink Social Club account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your Rockstar Social Club account. Go to the Social Club website, log in, and check your account settings to manage linked accounts. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account sync issue in Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance. Happy gaming!